Okay, good morning, ninth and 10th grade. Just a quick reminder of what you're going to need to do today. So when you first come to class, you can take a reading quiz for the second reading, which is the second part of chapter 1 if you haven't already. You can log in to the WebEx for the live session. So I'll show you that number in a second. When we're done, I'm going to send you on to read chapter 2 and work on the reading guide. And if you have any additional time, we're going to talk about the vocabulary assignment. So just a reminder, the number is in my updates, and I also sent you another message. So 807-018-399, and that session is going to start for first hour at 9:05, fourth hour at 12:35, and sixth hour it actually should be 12 or 2:35 to woo, sorry, I apparently can't do math that morning. 2:35 to 2:50. Okay, so that's when the last one is going to be. It is not actually longer. It just looked like it. So I will see you there today.